Hello, what's up, guys? How are you, everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today, I have one a Suzuki Ciaz, and this car have a problem engine light. So I checked with my diagnosis tool. I got fault P0030 heated oxygen sensor, bang one sensor one, and today I will show you where is the location P0030 bang one sensor one. Here is the engine room. You can see, and bang one sensor one. This one you can see where I remove because I want to show you, that's why. This one bang one sensor one. Okay, and this one engine from side, this one. Okay, thank you.